Well, I got outside of my home base of Oshkosh today, made it to the Upper Wolf, and we put 2 limits with some nice eating-sized fish in the boat. Stay tuned, we're going to be hooked up shortly.
That's a huge fish. That's a big one. Look at this, just a full Christmas tree. Had a mark come up on the screen and just smoked the number 3 clown wrap.
That is exactly what we came for, guys. I mean, that is just something right there.
Well, hey guys, Kyle Sorts here from OB Outdoors. Well, this is going to be a fun little video here because we are in the Upper Wolf River hunting down some post-spawn walleyes. We're going to be doing some crawler dragging here and some leech dragging. Pretty simple, 1/8 ounce jigs. Might have to upsize or downsize depending on the current around here, but we're going to get the jig in here and see what we can come up with.
Double, baby. This is a nice one. You got a good one? He's decent. Got the last two. Here, I would say. A little farther. You got that on video.
Yeah, that's a lifetime warranty. Look at that one too.
Oh my god. Unbelievable.
Yeah, baby. Broken pole and everything. Check this out.
That's a St. Croix too. I guarantee that's under warranty.
You have one? I knew it. Looked like something was on there. Need the net.
Nice one.
Is that a leech?
Oh, that was a crawler. This is small.
Badger Sportsman Magazine, the premier outdoor magazine, published in Oshkosh and written by Wisconsin sportsmen for Wisconsin sportsmen. Get the most out of your time in the woods or on the water. Subscribe to Badger Sportsman Magazine today, the premier outdoor magazine. Badger Sportsman Magazine.
If you guys are ever hitting the Winnebago system, I always highly suggest to always have crawlers and leeches in the boat because you never know what they're going to want at any specific time. Today, again, it's been 50-50. It seems as though the bigger fish, though, have been coming on the leeches. So, you know, it's hard to say what they're going to want at any given time. So I have both in the boat. So, well, you're not losing fish. here, waiting for the fish. Nice, easy. Oh, and look at that. He's got it up in the back here. Nice one.
What it is, but it's get the net.
Get the net.
And get the net.
Nice one. And there's our 10. What do you guys say? Yeah, okay.
So you do it right there.
Atta boy. Right off the old hook. Well guys, it was a fun day up here on the Upper Wolf. Magical time on the Winnebago system right now. It really is, you know. Unfortunately, these fish are really, you know, taking their time to get back to the Oshkosh area. And, well, what are you going to do? You got to move, got to try to find those fish, have a bunch of different tactics ready to go. And today, it was dragging crawlers. So if you guys are looking for a fun time, get up here, drag some crawlers, drag some leeches, you know, and be courteous out here. You know, a lot of people out here, a lot of boat traffic and stuff. And it's only going to get busier as the weekend approaches. So if you see Ryan Callis floating down the river in his water wings, make sure to tell him hi for me. And I guess that's going to do it for me. So until next time, tie lines, stay dry.